Our next innovator has a solution that leverages machine learning algorithms to pinpoint bad actors who seek to scrape or copy information from legitimate travel sites. Please welcome from Distill Networks their CEO, Rami Assad.
Good morning. My name is Rami Assad. I'm co-founder and CEO of Distill Networks, and I'm here to help you identify the difference between humans and bots across your website. Because if you're in the travel industry, up to 60% of your site traffic is made up of bots. And while not all of them are bad, it's been proven that more are bad than good. But let's be honest, by the time you've identified a malicious bot and sued them, the damage has been done. Bots are a hacker's best friend, and you can't afford to leave yourself unprotected anymore. And that's where Distill comes in. We're the first purpose-built solution to identify the difference between real people and bots in real time to help you manage your online website. We are easy to deploy. There's no code to write, there's no software to install, and we are completely technology agnostic. It doesn't matter what your infrastructure or software looks like, we're guaranteed to plug and play. We start by uniquely fingerprinting every single bot that we catch. This fingerprint is completely independent of an IP address. So no matter where the bot comes from in the future, we've already caught it. And then we inject code into your site in real time to help harden your site against zero-day threats. Once we catch one bot for one of our customers, we aggregate that data across all of our customers instantly. So by joining Distill, you are instantly joining a community in which you're protected against over 18 billion bots that we've caught already. Our pricing model is built on volume, so we can scale down to the smallest startup. In fact, one of the innovators that you saw on this stage today is already a customer. But we can scale up to meet the needs of any enterprise. And one of the world's largest OTAs is already a customer paying us 7 figures. Since starting to sell Distill in 2013, our revenue's grown 25% every single month. And the majority of those sales come in inbound because there's so much pent-up demand for the solution. We now protect over 10,000 websites, 300 customers, and 15 of the Fortune 500. If protecting yourself against bots is not an option, you need a purpose-built solution that's easy to set up and works in real time. But you also need something that's proven for the travel industry, and that's where Distill comes in.